The Gulf Coast of the United States is home to a fascinating creature, one that is rarely seen but plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Nestled among the rolling dunes and windswept grasses, this animal has quietly thrived for thousands of years, perfectly attuned to the unique challenges of its environment. Meet the Gulf Coast kangaroo rat, a small but remarkable mammal that calls these sandy coastal plains its home. Despite its tiny size, this creature is a true survivor, expertly navigating the harsh, shifting landscape. This small mammal is a wonder of nature, perfectly adapted to its sandy environment. Its entire life is shaped by the dunes, where it finds food, builds its burrows, and evades predators. Every movement is a testament to its resilience and ingenuity. Imagine the sun-drenched dunes and grasses of the coastal plains, where the wind sculpts the sand into ever-changing patterns. Here, the kangaroo rat's world is both beautiful and unforgiving, a place where only the most adaptable can survive. This is where our story takes place, a landscape that may seem empty at first glance, but is teeming with hidden life and delicate balances. The Gulf Coast kangaroo rat is a small creature, only about 10 inches long from nose to tail. Its petite size allows it to dart quickly across the sand, disappearing into burrows or blending into the landscape in the blink of an eye. Its fur is a soft, sandy brown, almost indistinguishable from the dunes themselves. This natural camouflage is its first line of defense, helping it avoid the watchful eyes of predators like owls and snakes. The kangaroo rat has large, dark eyes, perfect for seeing at night. As a nocturnal animal, it emerges after sunset when the air cools and the dangers of the day subside. Its keen vision helps it forage for seeds and navigate the moonlit dunes. Its most distinctive feature, however, is its long, powerful hind legs. These legs are not just for show. They allow the kangaroo rat to leap great distances, sometimes up to 6 feet in a single bound, to escape danger or move quickly between food sources. These powerful legs give the kangaroo rat its name and are the secret to its survival in this challenging, ever-shifting world of sand and sun. You see, the Gulf Coast kangaroo rat doesn't just walk or run, it leaps. Its strong hind legs propel it through the air in impressive bounds. A single jump can cover several times its body length. This remarkable ability is essential for survival in its sandy home. The long tail of the kangaroo rat acts as a counterbalance during these leaps. It helps the kangaroo rat to maintain balance and change direction quickly. This agility is crucial for evading predators. Imagine a flash of sand-colored fur, a blur of movement as the kangaroo rat disappears into the undergrowth. The Gulf Coast kangaroo rat is primarily a seed eater. This small, nocturnal rodent has evolved to thrive in the harsh, sandy environments along the Gulf Coast, where food can be scarce and conditions are often unforgiving. Its diet consists mainly of seeds from native grasses and plants, which provide not only nourishment, but also the moisture it needs to survive. It forages at night, using its keen sense of smell to locate seeds buried in the sand. The cover of darkness helps protect it from predators and the intense heat of the day. With its sensitive nose, the kangaroo rat can detect even the faintest scent of seeds hidden beneath the surface, allowing it to find food that other animals might miss. The kangaroo rat has special cheek pouches for carrying seeds back to its burrow. These fur-lined pouches are located on the outside of its mouth, so the seeds stay dry and clean as the rat travels across the dunes. This adaptation is crucial for efficiently transporting food over long distances. These pouches are like little shopping bags, allowing the kangaroo rat to gather a substantial amount of food in a single trip. By collecting and storing seeds, the kangaroo rat creates a reserve that helps it survive during times when food is scarce, such as during droughts or extreme weather. Life in the sandy dunes can be harsh. The landscape is open and exposed, with little shade or shelter from the elements. Vegetation is sparse, and the shifting sands make it difficult for many animals to find stable ground or reliable food sources. Water is scarce, and the heat can be intense. Daytime temperatures can soar, making it dangerous for small animals to be active under the sun. The kangaroo rat's ability to survive without drinking free water is a remarkable adaptation to this arid environment. The Gulf Coast kangaroo rat has adapted to survive in this challenging environment. Its fur reflects sunlight, and its long hind legs allow it to move quickly across the hot sand, escaping predators and finding food efficiently. Every aspect of its behavior and biology is fine-tuned for life in the dunes. It gets most of the water it needs from the seeds it eats. The seeds contain enough moisture to sustain the kangaroo rat, allowing it to go for weeks or even months without drinking from a water source. This unique adaptation is key to its survival in such a dry habitat, and it avoids the heat of the day by staying in its cool, underground burrow. These burrows provide shelter from predators and extreme temperatures, creating a safe haven where the kangaroo rat can rest and store its precious seed supply until night falls once again. The kangaroo rat's burrow is more than just a shelter from the elements. It's actually a complex network of tunnels and chambers. Some chambers are used for sleeping, while others are used for storing food. The burrow also provides protection from predators. The kangaroo rat is a solitary creature, spending most of its time alone in its burrow. When it does venture out, usually under the cover of darkness, the kangaroo rat must be wary. Owls, snakes, and foxes all pose a threat. The kangaroo rat's exceptional hearing and agility are its best defenses. At the slightest hint of danger, it leaps away, zigzagging through the undergrowth to safety. The Gulf Coast kangaroo rat might seem like an insignificant creature, but it plays a vital role in its ecosystem. By spreading seeds, it helps to maintain the health and diversity of plant life in the dunes. Its burrows also provide shelter for other animals, such as insects and reptiles. The presence of the kangaroo rat is an indicator of a healthy ecosystem. Its decline can signal environmental problems. Protecting the Gulf Coast kangaroo rat, therefore, is about more than just saving one species. It's about preserving the delicate balance of nature. In the grand tapestry of life, it's easy to overlook the small and seemingly insignificant. We often find ourselves drawn to the spectacular, the towering trees, the vast oceans, the dramatic mountains that dominate the horizon. Yet, hidden within these landscapes are countless tiny wonders, each with a story to tell and a role to play. Sometimes the most extraordinary marvels are those that go unnoticed, quietly shaping the world around us in ways we rarely pause to consider. But the Gulf Coast kangaroo rat reminds us that every creature, no matter how small, plays a part in the intricate web of life. This tiny rodent, with its soft fur and powerful hind legs, is perfectly adapted to its sandy home. It spends its nights foraging for seeds, carefully storing food in underground burrows, and evading predators with quick, agile leaps. Its presence helps maintain the delicate balance of the coastal ecosystem, aerating the soil and dispersing seeds that allow native plants to thrive. Take a moment to appreciate the wonders of the natural world, from the soaring heights of the sky above to the intricate patterns etched in the sand below. Every grain, every footprint, every rustle in the grass tells a story of survival and connection. The Gulf Coast is a living mosaic, where each species, no matter its size, contributes to the beauty and complexity of the whole. And among these wonders are the smallest creatures that dwell beneath our feet. The kangaroo rat, with its gentle movements and watchful eyes, is a reminder that even the tiniest lives are filled with purpose and meaning. Their daily routines, though hidden from most, are essential threads in the fabric of this unique environment. The next time you find yourself walking along a sandy shore, listen closely. Let the wind carry the subtle sounds of life to your ears. Notice the patterns in the sand, the delicate trails left behind by creatures going about their nightly journeys. The world is alive with stories, waiting for those who take the time to notice. You might just hear the soft thud of tiny feet, the gentle patter that signals a life lived in harmony with the land. These sounds, though faint, are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature's smallest inhabitants. Or perhaps you'll catch a glimpse of a sand-colored blur disappearing into the dunes, vanishing almost as quickly as it appeared. In that fleeting moment, you witness a world that exists alongside our own, vibrant and full of life, yet so easily missed. If you do, remember the Gulf Coast kangaroo rat, a testament to the beauty, resilience, and quiet strength of nature. By appreciating these small wonders, we deepen our connection to the world and learn to value every life, no matter how small. The Gulf Coast kangaroo rat, a tiny marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to its harsh yet beautiful environment. It reminds us that even in the most challenging of circumstances, life finds a way. And it reminds us to cherish and protect all creatures, great and small, for they all contribute to the wonder that is our planet.